From controversy to fan favorite. Dati, maraming haters ang NBA play-in tournament. Kahit si LeBron James, napareklamo noong una. Pero fast forward to 2026, it's officially one of the best moves Adam Silver has ever made. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa extra revenue. Binago neto ang landscape ng liga. Dahil sa play-in, nabawasan yung shameless tanking kahit papaano. Dahil kahit 10 seed, may chance pa rin makapasok. In fact, stats shows that the average number 10 seed today wins about 3 more games per season compared sa pre-play-in era. This year, the intensity was on another level. Mula sa buzzer beaters hanggang sa defensive masterclasses. Napatunayan na ang win or go home format brings out the best in everyone. Let's talk about the game of the year, Hornets versus Heat, 127 to 126 in overtime. Napakainit na simula sa Charlotte but the game turned dark noong ma-injure ang tailbone ni Bam Adebayo noong pinatid siya ni LaMelo Ball. So without Bam, the Heat had to rely on grit and hindi yun naging reason para hindi maging maganda yung laro. So ayun, Kobe White saved the season with a falling away. Heavily contested 3 to force overtime. So sa extra period, it was pure chaos. Miles Bridges proved his veteran worth, finishing with 28 points and 9 rebounds, including the game-winning pin block sa huling segundo para selyuhan yung panalo. Hornets stay alive, while Miami's play-in streak finally ends in heartbreak. Kahit brutal ang shooting ni LaMelo Ball at rookie Concanepo sa 3-point distance, 2 out of 22 combined, nakuha ng Charlotte ang panalo through sheer volume. They grabbed 17 offensive rebounds, 8 galing kay Diabate, at nagkaroon ng 10 extra shot attempts kaysa sa Miami. LaMelo might have struggled with the shot, but 30 points and 10 assists with only 3 turnovers on national stage is elite-level leadership. Sa side ng Heat, Tyler Hero and Norman Powell carried the load. Pero sa huli, ang energy ng mga bata ni Charles Lee ang nanaeg. The win is huge for Charlotte's culture. It proves that they can win even with their best shooters are cold. Sa Western Conference, ang Portland Trail Blazers ay pumasok bilang 7th seed matapos talunin ang Phoenix Suns 114 to 110. It was the Denny Avdia show. He dropped a season-high 41 points on 15 out of 22 shooting plus 12 assists. Noong sinubukan ng Suns na disrespect ang scoring ng Portland, Denny became one-man wrecking crew. The Suns relied on their mid-range game with Devin Booker, 22 points and burning hot Jalen Green with 35 points. But they had no answer for Avdia's drive late in the fourth. Jeremy Grant also stepped up with 2 clutch threes and a game-sealing strip on Jordan Goodwin. Portland is heading to face Spurs and they look dangerous right now. Sa Atlantic Battle, hindi hinayaan ng Philadelphia 76ers na maulit ang 41-point blowout loss nila sa Orlando noong November. They took care of business 109 to 97. Si Tyrese Maxey at Paul George ang nag-anchor ng opensa habang si Nick Nurse naman ang nag-adjust sa physicality ng Magic. Orlando's young core of Banchero and Wagner fought hard but the veteran poise of Philly was too much. Andre Drummond emphasized attention to detail and it showed. Limit turnovers, win the glass. Now, Sixers secures the 7th seed and a date with Boston Celtics, avoiding the stress of a second play-in game. Finally, the Warriors versus Clippers game was a definition of Warriors magic. Behind by 13 in the fourth, Stephen Curry decided he wasn't going home. He finished with 35 points, including a cold-blooded 29-foot triple with 59 left to cap a 16-6 run. Draymond Green defense was legendary in the clutch, reminding everyone why he is a future Hall of Famer. Grabe yung yung stop niya kay Kawhi 2 beses. So for the Clippers, it was another blown lead nightmare. For the Warriors, it's a ticket to face the Suns for the final 8 seed slot. At the end of the day, whether you think the play-in is unfair to the higher seed or not, you cannot deny the drama it brings. Mula sa 41 points ni Avdia hanggang sa game-winning block ni Bridges, clutch 3-point shot ni Stephen Curry, defensive stop ni Draymond Green, the 2026 play-in has been nothing but short of spectacular. Yun yung masasabi natin eh. So, do you think the 7th and 8th seed are being punished? Or is this the excitement the NBA needs? So, kayo, halo naman talaga yung opinion kasi dito eh. So, let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. I will now step back. Bye-bye!